students, how are you all? See, this pandemic situation has brought us very close together through this online, and I hope recently we have completed our FA1. You have written exams. We have finished 3 units with the combination of A, B and C, including the grammar part, right? And now we are going to start 4th unit, but before that, let me clarify one thing to you all. First, you should make sure of your notes to be complete in a right way. When you are writing, just pay attention for at least half an hour. It doesn't take much time, right? Now you are 7th, came from 6th to 7th. So I think it is not a situation that I must explain to you. You yourself has to know what has to be written. You're not small kids. Now you are 7, so you must pay attention towards your studies, that what has to be written. When you are writing notes, make a maintenance of the notes in a proper way. Write index and write glossary. I am going to tell you continuously after end of every lesson. Write the glossary from text, but not from this workbook. Text glossary meanings are enough. And question answers. That's all. If it is possible, summary. I am telling you continuously, but even most of them have not been completed. So every time when one unit has come, one unit after the end of one lesson, immediately the notes has to get complete. Don't make yourself hectic towards the bulk work. It 100% will not relieve you. At a time, suddenly after at the end of this month or any time, if the government declares schools get start, then what will you do? You'll come with 30 books. Again, the reaction from the teachers has to start. Just imagine how much burden it will be to you. So better, my advice, it's my humble request to you to all to complete the notes properly. Okay? And shall we begin our lesson? Now, Unit 4, we have a very beautiful lesson and interesting lesson. Tenali paints a horse. I think Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi, the poet, jester in the sense, a person who makes others to laugh with his common sense. Who makes others to laugh, we'll call him jester. Right? He is one of the greatest poet in the kingdom of Vijayanagara. And under the rule of Mr. Krishnadeva, he has been a popular poet and a great jester, what I said, a humorous poet, a great poet. Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi means even the word itself will make us laugh. Even the word itself will make us laugh. So, why actually poet in the sense, some poets will have a philosophy in their writing. Some poets will have a imaginary feelings in their writing. Every poet has his own individuality, identity, right? Even in this Vijayanagara, apart from Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi, there are number of poets. Allasani Peddana, Mukku Timmana, Nandi Vemana. So, like that, there are number of poets. But even a lot of popularity has come to Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi. Because, he is humorous in his writings. And also, among all, he has a specialization. He has his own identity. He has created it. And I think if you have seen Nasruddin Shah tales, Nasruddin, even the stories if you listen also, there will be a lot of fun. If we had listened to his lessons, we'll recreate ourselves. Our mind will be refreshed. Right? So, what is one story I will tell you? Nasruddin stories. So, one day Nasruddin has gone to his village. Okay? So, one of his relatives had served him duck soup. Duck soup they had served him. Okay, Nasruddin Shah felt very happy and he had come back to his town. After coming to the town, the villager who had served him, when he went to the village, that villager had come to the town to see Nasruddin. And Nasruddin felt actually it is a minimum common sense of a person that we should receive him pleasantly, right? So, as he treated well, even Nasruddin also again he had served him with the duck soup. It was over. And after that, the next day only one more person had come from village. Even though that person is the person who had given him the treat at village, served him duck soup, that person's relative. He is a relative of that first person. So they'll come to Nasruddin and they'll say that, see, when you come to village, one person had served you with duck soup, that person's relative, I am the relative of that person. Then Nasruddin also had, okay, he had served me, I had to receive this person also. He had given receive. And next day also one more person had come. And he had told that I am the relative of the person who had served you the duck soup. On third day, okay, he had received it. Fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, seventh day, Nasruddin had frustrated. He did not have patience to bear anything. Then what he had in for the final relative, one person had come. He had told that I am the relative of the person who had served. Then, okay sir, come. And Nasruddin wanted to teach him a lesson. And again, not to disturb. Okay, I am bearing it, so that's why he is testing my patience. Let me see the end of this. He had decided he wanted to teach a lesson. Okay sir, he welcomed him and he put instead of duck soup, hot water. What is this hot water means? He told, this is the soup of the soup of the soup of the soup of the soup who had served me the duck soup. So immediately that person had realized and he went off. So they will not say anything directly, and indirectly even they convey that they will show a lot of humor in their writings. So after Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi, of course there are a number of people who had a lot of comic and humor in their writings. But even Tenali Ramakrishna in the history, he has his own record. I feel, I love and I enjoy the writings of Mr. Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi's stories and tales. They will be very, very fantastic, right? I hope you too. Even in some channels we can hear the stories of Mr. Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi. It's fun, we can watch his fun directly. Okay, shall we begin our lesson? Before we begin our lesson, here in the lesson, in the page number 57, if you open, you can see here how the Vijayanagara king and Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi, even in his appearance also, he will have a different costume. Even attire also we can imagine, if we can imagine Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi, yes, he will be like this. A different attire he will have it. Okay? Look at the title and guess what you are going to read about. Who do you think is the person with the turban? Can you name the person sitting on the throne? What do you think Tenali Rama will do in this story? Can you share a story about Tenali Rama? Do you know any stories of Mr. Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi? After the end of the lesson, I know many stories, among them I will share one with you. But now we will begin the lesson. Can you guess who is the person with the turban here? With the turban, who is here? He is Mr. Krishna Deva Raya. Okay, and he is the person who sat in the throne, right? He was the king of Vijayanagara. Okay, and we will begin our lesson. Just go to the page number 58, students. I am reading the lesson. Tenali Rama was a poet and jester in the court of King Krishna Deva Raya of Vijayanagara. He was famous for his wit and intelligence. This interesting play provides an example of his wit. Read the drama and answer the questions that follow. Now, this is like a role play. It's like a drama. Raja Krishna, in these characters are Krishna Deva Raya, Tenali Rama and courtiers. First, second, third, fourth. Okay, apart from Tenali Rama, there are number of poets now. Courtiers will be in the court. That members also. Scene 1, first scene. One day, Raja Krishna Deva Raya and his courtiers watch as an artist shows his paintings to the king. The king and most of his courtiers are impressed with the paintings. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Rama, looks displeased. Raja, that is really a beautiful painting. I can almost feel the peace of the village scene. You are a very talented artist. Here is a bag of gold for you. we shall be very pleased if you can stay at our court and make our beautiful paintings like this. Artist, Your Highness is very kind. It will be an honor to paint for Your Majesty. Tenali, I don't think they are such good paintings at all. How can you say that? I think they are perfectly lovely. So when he asked, I can almost feel the peace of the village saying, you are a very talented artist. Here is a bag of gold for you. We shall be very pleased if you stay in our court. See, when the artist in a sense, anything, painting, drawing, and any art he may have. So in those days, if any artist will be in the country, they will be honored very well by the king. So Krishnadevaraya, he is very interested in fine arts. He is very interested. He had written a book called Amukta. He has written, even as a king also, he has a lot of keenness and interest over the arts, fine arts. Okay, dancing, reading, writing, poetry, and paintings. He has such an interest. So one day, one painter, an artist, had come to his court to show his paintings. So by seeing them, everybody felt very happy to see the paintings. They were very good and they were very imaginary paintings, and they are looking very pleasant to see. And that pictures are showing the nativity of a village. Nativity in the sense what? Fields, people, farmers, cows, cattle, all he had shown very clearly in his paintings. When he was showing like that, everybody felt amazing to see the paintings of him. But Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi, he did not feel very happy to see all those paintings. And immediately when the king had offered him a bag of gold, one bag full of gold. Sir, I am going to offer you one bag full of gold. Take that bag full of gold and also be in our court as an artist. In our country, we need an artist, and I am going to give you the place. Please take the place and take this bag full of gold. But Tenali Rama immediately, he didn't like the acceptance of the person who had been appointed as an artist, and he had started opposing. Sir, I didn't like these paintings. I didn't draw better than this person who had drawn. Actually, he is a poet. He is not an artist. Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi is a good poet. But even a jester, means what? He can laugh anybody with his sayings and writings. He has such a talent, Tenali Rama. But Krishnadevaraya, he didn't know that Tenali Ramakrishna, he can draw well. He can draw better. He didn't know that. So immediately with the words of Tenali Rama, Krishnadevaraya felt very stunning to listen such words. What? You can draw better than this person. He is an artist. But how can you draw, Tenali? He had said. Then he said it. I'm sure, sir, I'll draw better than this and I'll prove. And until then, you should not offer him any gift, or you should not appoint him as an artist in our court. So, by listening these words, the conversation has been continued. Let's see. Tenali, for one thing, where is the other side of these two men? You can only see there one side. For another, where is the face of that cow? Okay, see here, if you see this picture, you will understand it. In this painting, what has been mentioned? This painting, two persons are standing and a cow is there. So, he has said it. Okay, you have drawn very well. Then where is the other side? Where is the other side? You have only mentioned one side. Where is the other side of the painting? Even the other side of the painting also is needed. Now, you are saying that your paintings are amazing, wonderful. How can you prove that? How can you say that? So, even they have to show a clarity in their paintings. So, where is the other side of the painting? That has to be mentioned, right? So, show me the other side. Can you draw the other side? See, this is what the intelligence of Tenali Rama. Tenali Ramakrishna Kavi, before he became a poet, once he had stood before Kali Mata, and he was a devotee of that goddess. Okay, and he had blessed. He needed a blessing of that devotee goddess. So when he was doing like that, the goddess had offered him to porridge. She had hold 2 poured it two bowls in her hand. In one bowl, talent. In one bowl, talent. And in one more bowl, she offered full of wealth and rich, everything, even money, property, the capacity to it. She had offered him two bowls. So she closed her eyes and she told him to take one. Actually, why Tenali Rama is difficult, like he is not like another poets, why he was like this, I will tell you. In one bowl, humor, in one bowl, talent. In two, you take one means what? When she has closed her eyes, immediately he had taken two bowls and he had drank them. Then she used to curse him. You have to take one, but you have taken two. So every time, whenever you do, your talent will create you the problems. You have a talent. You have a talent. You drank that, so that's why you will get the talent. But that talent will create you the problems lastly. You will get identity, but you will get problems. She used to curse. That's the reason. Whatever he will continue that with the problem. That's what the difficulty in Tenali Rama's humor. Okay, this is the reason. And here also, see, everybody they started appreciating the painting, but he is the only person has got it out that you have drawn only the one side of the painting. Where is the other side? Anybody can draw like that? It is not. Of course, the artist is not an impressive artist. He may not have a talent in him, but even that has to be stopped, right? So, for another, where is the face of that cow? You have drawn two persons and cow, no? Cow's other side face is not there, and also the person's other side also you have not mentioned. Raja, what an ignorant fool you are. Everything can't be painted. You must imagine the bits that are missing. Tenali, I bet I can paint better than that. Well, I could if I had the paints. So, see, the Raja has said, what a fool you are. Everything can't be painted. Whatever it will be in the picture, what you are seeing, it can't be painted, no? You must imagine the bits that are missing. Just you have to imagine. You have to imagine. If anything is missing, you have to imagine and you have to draw. But how everything will come in the painting, Tenali? So the Raja had said, Tenali, I bet I can paint better than that. Well, I could if I had the paints. Now if I had the paints, I can draw better than this. He had challenged with the Krishna Deva Raya that he can do better than anything. Okay. Now when he had started painting, when he had seen an artist over there, it was very, very difficult to draw like such an artist efficiently. Born artist is different, and suddenly if he had drawn anything, it will be different. There is a lot of variation, right? It can't be comparable. It can't be comparable. But even Tenali wanted to do something. He wanted to prove something to the king. He can draw better than the person who had come as an artist. Here we had come to the half of our lesson. We'll continue our lesson in our next video. Students, here I am going to give you the homework. Write the glossary of 4A in classbook. This is a homework, students. Okay, here is your homework, and not only glossary, even you should write glossary and new words. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention glossary and new words. You must write both of them in the class. So this is your class. This is your homework, student, and we'll meet in our next video. Thank you. See you again.